in Kłodzko for the weekend. It is New Year's Eve weekend, and we decided to do a weekend away. I don't know a lot about this city, but it has easily become one of my favorite cities in Poland. The city is situated on hills, or at least the city center is, and the hills add so much charm to this small little city. And I want to show you guys this beautiful, beautiful, charming, lovely city full of kind people known as Kłodzko. Do you want to know how you know you're in Poland? Because Jesus is everywhere. So right now we're at the store. We came here to get an HDMI cord because the cable in our hotel room unfortunately does not have a lot of options, let's say. And as much as I love watching foreign language television, Polish TV for me is not my favorite. The sitcoms for me are not very funny. The comedy is super different. The acting for me, it just doesn't really do it for me. So we came here to get an HDMI cord. Since we have our laptops, we can watch from the laptop, right? We're back in the hotel room. We got the HDMI cable, but I also got this. It's an ornament cup left over for Christmas time. And this is what I'm going to be drinking from this New Year's. So cheers. Home Alone, dog version. Whoever said bring your dog with you on holiday is a liar. Because this dude has been a nightmare.
Let him just be.
Remember how I said that I really, really love Kłodzko and it's become one of my favorite cities? Well, I never buy souvenirs, but this time, that's right. All right. So now we are in Polanica, which is a city next to Kłodzko. We got through Kłodzko pretty quickly because, like I said, it's not really that big of a city. So now we're here to explore Polanica, and just from what I've seen in the car, it also looks like such a magical little city. There's supposed to be like a natural mineral water source here, and my partner really wants me to try it. So we're gonna go try some Polish mineral water, natural mineral water. So yeah, here's Polanica.
It's healthy. It's not good, it's healthy. You can tell me how it tastes.
It kind of smells like rotten eggs. Yeah, it smells like sulfur. It's gassy. And it tastes like dirt. So we're in Park Shahode right now in Polanica-Zdrój. What is it called?
Park Szachowny.
Oh. And this park here reminds me of Versailles.